That's a plum tree at the back of my house. I have grafted a few different varieties on it. That is one of the grafts which has healed. It has some more varieties grafted onto it. That's another graft. Which hasn't healed very nicely. It looks like it was a cleft graft, but it has grown, so I'll keep it. Next to it there is another graft which is a saddle graft. The grafting joint is still visible. The graft itself has grown and it has a bit of fruit as well. That round only one plum, which looks nice, and it hasn't reached the ripening stage, while on the main tree I have taken most of the plums. There might be few still hanging, which are very close to ripening stage. Few plums which haven't been taken off. They are now ripe. I have taken one off, and I'm going to compare it with the other variety grafted onto it, and you can see the difference. One is round, that is round, and the other one is oval, like egg shape.